We are here again, guys, at the gun show with the same venue on the previous gun show. This is the Alexis Park Resorts, and this is the parking. As you have seen, it's a lot of cars already parked here, and the venue is over here. Oh wow, love those bikes. It's Harley. Ito yung mga paninda nila ngayon dito sa gun show. Napansin ko napakaraming AR, guys. Ito yung mga mahahabang baril. Kung gusto mo ng 50 BMG, meron din dyan. Pero ito, tignan natin isa-isa. Ito yung Delton 308. Pero ito yung tsura niya. 308 Delton. Ang presyo is ayan, 949. Delton 556. 499. This is Radical. It's also 556. Napakaganda din, ah. How much? 500. Tapos ito, diamond back. 9mm. It's 799. 800. And this is American Tactical Omni.
22 LR. Really? So this is really light.
This is 549.
Yeah, no, it is. You should pick up these other ones.
And this is
Beat him with a gun.
Volunteer XD.
I have one.
223556.
This
Smith and Wesson.
Same thing. 22 LR.
This is also Radical. 599. And this is Great Lakes Firearms. 223 Wild. 700. Another Great Lakes, but different color. The same price, 700. 223. Nice. This, I think this is the SIG M400. Ito nga, yung SIG M400. And this is the IWI Z15. Yan. 879. And again, this is the Colt M5. Colt M5 556. Meron na siyang front at saka including front and rear sight. Ito Colt M7 2,399. Ito also including front and rear sight. This is 762 by 51 308 from Colt. This is also 308. This is Springfield Hellion. This is the Daniel Defense. And this is AR pistol. Ito ulit guys yung mga updated presyo, yung mga updated price ng 1911. Tignan ko lang ulit isa-isa, ipakita ko dito. Marami dito ulit. Springfield Garrison 1699. Springfield 1911 Ronin 849. Springfield 1911 TRP 1699. Ito mahal to ha. And ito yung Gearsan 1911 1199. Ayan, may box pa siya. Ito, Sig Sauer 1911. Ayan. 1349. And this is the Ruger. Ito yung Rock Island 759. Pero yung itsura niya guys is ito. Napakaganda din. And this is the Ruger. Yan. Gearsan. Ito naman yung itsura niya. 1,000. Naka-set up na guys. Ready na. May kasamang optic. Tapos ito, Gearsan din. Ayan. Another, ito, Springfield, Ronin. 799. And this is also Gearsan. Negotiator. Napakaganda ha.
How do you like the snow tag? You know, I don't have a problem with Springfield. Like I told you, I had my 45 was Springfield. I liked Springfield at one point in time.
At one point in time?
Yeah, at one point in time, except now they're made in Croatia. And that pisses me off. On principle, not because it's a bad gun, but just because
it's made.
Your name is Springfield. Yeah, your name is Springfield.
Yeah, I like
it.
it. Yeah,
It's made in Massachusetts, not Croatia.
I don't like their safety here.
Ito yung Colt Competition 999. Ito napakaganda din ng baril na to. Oh. Competition series. And this is the Colt Combat. This is the Les Beer Custom 45 ACP. Colt Defender. Ayan. Etong Colt Defender guys, parang ito compact ito eh. Maiksi lang siya. And this Colt Gold Cup. Another Colt Defender. Colt 1991 Classic. Ayan. 1991 Classic. 1,000. Maraming salamat ulit guys sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. Sana wag kayong magsawang manood sa mga video. I-share ko lahat ito guys. Meron pa itong event na to bukas at sana makabalik pa ako dito.